Hi, my name is Tunji Andrews. I'm an economist, host of the Money, Business and Economy show on 99.3 Nigeria Info. I'm also a fitness buff and co-founder with Backend Nigeria.
Hi, I'm Arese Tunji. I'm the author of two best-selling books, The Smart Money Woman and The Smart Money Tribe. And I'm also the founder of a platform called www.smartmoneyafrica.org, which is basically a platform that teaches African millennials about personal finance.
Hi, my name is Imelda.
I'm Najib Bello.
I drew a blank on that question because I'm not entirely sure what it means.
What I would really like someone to explain to me clearly is this is how you make $1 billion, Najib. Go and do it.
I finish quickly. For me, I don't understand.
No one tells you how much resilience you have to have between, getting that job and that salary or that bonus.
So loans, savings, info, help. Loans, are we?
Yeah.
Loans.
One request a loan, right?
Yeah,
request
so we have
a
to
loan.
request to pay. Yeah. So there's the interest rate and days to pay back. Oh, okay. So if I continue now, I get credited the loan now.
So basically, like if we put it in now, it's going to give us
Get money.
We're going to get money. Don't play with me now.
Oh, yes. Money. Wow. I won't have to be disturbing you again. I have my new backup.
Oh my God, it's actually really quick.
Thanks, Migo.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Migo, for being our friend in need.